Hi students, good evening to all of you. Welcome back to the new session. Today I am going to teach you a new topic, that is general organic chemistry. In this general organic chemistry we have to learn about numerical nature and isomerism of organic compounds. Before the learning about this chapter, we have to know a fundamental idea, what is organic chemistry and what is organic compounds. We have to learn about that. So first, organic chemistry. What is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is nothing but it is a branch of chemistry. Because chemistry, so many branches will be there: general chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, drug chemistry, biochemistry. So different types of chemistry branches will be there. One of the important chemistry branch, that is organic chemistry, which deals about the organic compounds. Which compounds? Which deals about the organic compounds. So the chapter which is deals about the organic compounds, that chapter is called organic chemistry. What is organic compounds? Here one doubt is arises. What is organic compounds means? Hydrocarbons and their derivatives are called organic compounds. Hydrocarbons. What is hydrocarbon? The compound which is made up of carbon and hydrogen, that is called hydrocarbon. The compound which is made up of carbon and hydrogen, that is called hydrocarbon. And we have to discuss have their derivatives. That means hydrocarbons derivatives. That is called what it is? Organic compounds. So what is organic compound? Organic compound is nothing but hydrocarbon and their derivatives is called organic compounds. If we are discussing about organic compound which deals with organic compound, that chemistry is called organic chemistry. So what is organic compound? Once again I will resume that. The compounds which are made up of hydrocarbon and their derivatives are called organic compounds. What is hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon is nothing but the compounds which are made up of carbon and hydrogen, that is called hydrocarbon, and their derivatives we are called organic compound. The branch of chemistry which is deals with these organic compounds is called organic chemistry. Students, I hope that you are very clear here. After that, take a look here. Vital force theory. Generally, before the learning about vital force theory, we have to know about according to Lavoisier, the scientist name, what it is? Lavoisier, the scientist, said that the compounds can be divided into two parts. What it is? Organic compounds as well as inorganic compounds. Organic compounds means I had already told you what is hydrocarbon and their derivatives. Hydrocarbons means what is? The compounds which are made up of carbon and hydrogen. So here what will be there? Hydrogen and carbon, those elements will be there. So that is called organic compounds. Other than carbon and hydrogen, nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, sulfur, this type of heteroatoms are there, that is called inorganic compounds. So according to Lavoisier, that scientist, the compounds can be mainly classified into two types. One is organic compounds, another one is inorganic compounds. Generally organic compounds are obtained from which one? Plants, animals, vegetables, fruits. That means they are naturally occurs. Which are naturally occurs? Yes, organic compounds are naturally occurs. That means they are obtained from living things. They are obtained from living things and they are naturally occurs, like plants, animals, vegetables, fruits. Those are called organic compounds. Example, you know very well, carbohydrates are organic compounds, as well as starch is organic compound, sugar. What is all these are? Organic compounds which are naturally occurs. These are obtained from plants, animals, vegetables and fruits. But inorganic compounds, these are man-made compounds because these are synthesized or prepared from minerals of the earth crust, which are prepared from the minerals of the earth crust. Here which atoms of the elements are there? Other than carbon and hydrogen, like nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, sulfur, mainly these elements are present in it, which are synthesized or prepared from minerals of the earth crust. These are earth crust. These are man-made and synthetic. These are man-made as well as synthetic, which are, yes, inorganic compounds are man-made and synthetics. So here vital force theory will be there. So this vital force theory was proposed by the scientist named Berzelius. So the scientist, who is that one? Berzelius proposed the which theory? Vital force theory. According to vital force theory, what happens? Here what it will be explains. The organic compounds which are obtained from living things like plants, animals, vegetables, fruits. Due to the reason here some attraction forces or vital forces present in them, in vegetables or fruits or animals, whatever it may be, should take anything in between them, what will be there? Attraction forces are there. Those attraction forces are called vital forces. Due to that vital forces, what will happen? The organic compounds are exist in living things like plants, animals, vegetables and fruits. And vital force theory can also explain what is, it was not prepared in the laboratory. It is not possible to prepare in laboratory. Organic compounds occurs naturally due to the reason some vital forces are present in them. This is said by Berzelius according to vital force theory. Vital forces means some type of attraction forces are present in them. So this theory is disproved by the scientist Höhler. Höhler prepared the organic compound first time. The first organic compound which is prepared in the laboratory means urea is the first organic compound. Urea is the first organic compound prepared in laboratory by the scientist. What is? Who is that one? Yes, the scientist name is Höhler. According to vital force theory, what is? We can't prepare organic compounds in the laboratory because organic compounds are obtained naturally due to vital forces are present in between them. But here Höhler disproved the which one? Vital force theory. He has taken an inorganic material. What that inorganic material? Ammonium cyanide. Taken ammonium cyanide and strongly heat that one. Here some rearrangement takes place and forms what it is? Urea. Urea is the first organic compound prepared in the laboratory by the scientist name what is? Höhler. After that, which is the second organic compound prepared in the laboratory? That is acetic acid. That chemical formula, acetic acid or molecular formula, what is? CH3COOH. This name is acetic acid synthesized from its constituent elements, by the scientist name is Kolbe. Generally Kolbe synthesized the which one? Acetic acid from its constituent elements. Kolbe is the scientist name. He is the scientist. He prepared what is? Acetic acid. From where it is? From its constituent elements. Acetic acid is the second organic compound which is prepared in the laboratory. Okay. Which is the third organic compound prepared in the laboratory? The third organic compound, methane. That molecular formula is CH4. Methane is the third organic compound prepared in the laboratory. This is methane is prepared by the scientist name is Berthollet. Prepared by Berthollet. So this is the third organic compound which is prepared in the laboratory. So in the initial stage we can't prepare the organic compounds in laboratory according to vital force theory. This is disproved by Höhler because Höhler prepared an organic compound in the laboratory by using ammonium cyanide. The urea formula what is? NH2CONH2. After that, the scientist Kolbe synthesized acetic acid from its constituent element. Acetic acid is the The second organic compound prepared in the laboratory, you should remember this one. After that, methane. Methane is the third most organic compound which is prepared in the laboratory by the scientist Berthollet. Scientist name what is? Berthollet. Okay students, take a look here. Reasons for large number of organic compounds. So what is the reason? To form carbon generally forms 10 million above compounds. Okay, 1 million means 10 lakhs, 10 million above means almost 1 crore above compounds are formed by which one? Only one carbon. What is the reason? Why the carbon forms millions of compounds? Due to the reason what is? It is having a high catenation power. What will be there? High catenation. What is catenation? The tendency of self combination. Self combination is also called as a self linkage. The tendency of self linkage. So catenation is the tendency of self linkage and is maximum in carbon. So this catenation property or catenation power in which element is having more means carbon is having more. High catenation power element is carbon. Due to that reason it is have a nature. Which nature? Self linkage. What is self linkage means? Carbon is able to form a straight long chain like that. Here what I kept that one dashes, that is not dash. You have to understand this is covalent bond. In 9th class you learned that one. What is ionic bond? What is covalent bond? What is coordinate covalent bond? Here what I have keep horizontal line or dash, that is nothing but what is covalent bond. Generally you know very well. Covalent bond is formed by the mutually sharing of electrons between the two atoms of the elements. Okay. Here carbon is having high catenation property or high catenation power. Due to that reason what will happen? It has a nature. Which nature will be there? Self linkage. What is the self linkage? Carbon is able to form a long straight chain like this. A long straight chain. And carbon is able to form a branched chain. This is straight chain. Am I correct or not? So here you should take that one anything. This is called branched chain. So this is the main chain. So here what it will be there? This is what is